Assalamu alaikum. Very good evening. Here's the presenter, Ifran Shaka. This is the ending session for them. Okay, Ifran Shaka, you will start your journey.
My honorable teacher and my loving friends, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am talking about something, the story Merchant of Venice. In this story has three parts. A pound of flesh, second is three casket, and third is the trial. I am not a good speaker, but I will try my best. If I create mistake, sorry for that. In this story, there was four characters. First is Antonio, second is Bassanio, and third is Portia, and fourth is Shylock. Firstly, who is Antonio? Antonio was a great merchant of Venice. He is a good man. He lent money to the poor without interest. His friend Bassanio belongs to a noble family. He lived his life luxurious and pomp. For this reason, he
Spend more money.
He expended more money than he earned. Bassanio fall in love to the Portia. Portia is a wisdom and a beautiful lady, and he is the princess of Belmont. Bassanio wanted to visit Portia, but in this time Bassanio had not enough money. For this reason, Bassanio go to Antonio for money. But on this time, Antonio has not money. For Antonio said that, my dear friend, don't worry, I will arrange the money. Bassanio go to Shylock to borrow money. Shylock is a purity moneylender. He lend money to the people with high interest.
Exactly.
Shylock ready to give money to Antonio, but in a condition. Shylock said that if you fail to repay the money in 3 months, I will cut a pound of flesh from any part of body from you.
Exactly.
Antonio agreed with this. Antonio thought that his ship will come within 3 months. Antonio take this money and give Bassanio. Bassanio went to visit Portia. It is the end of the first part, pound of flesh. Second is 3 casket. Portia's father died. After he died, he thought a plan to choose a
good husband
for his daughter. He made 3 caskets. One of gold, a great metal,
precious metal.
Second is silver, and third is lead, a poor metal. Firstly, the Prince of Morocco. He looked at the 3 caskets and he thought that gold is a rich metal. For this reason, he chose the gold box. And when he opened it, he see a picture of skull and with the message, all the glitters are not gold. Secondly, the Prince of Spain. He looked at the silver casket long time. He thought that he deserved the best. And when he opened the silver casket, he found the blinking fruits. The last is Bassanio. Bassanio looked at the 3 caskets and he thought that appearance often make mislead. And he chose the lead casket. When he opened it, he saw the picture of Portia and he will marry Portia. After they spend their life happily and luxuriously. After some days, he received a message from Antonio. In this message was written that Antonio failed to repay the money. And his ships are down in the sea. And now Shylock would cut a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. After his death, Antonio would like to see his friend Bassanio. It is the ending of this story, 3 caskets. Thirdly, the trial. In this time, Bassanio go to Venice from Belmont. He found Antonio in the courtroom. He said that, Shylock, I will pay you 10 times, which borrow Antonio from you. But Shylock don't agree with this. He need the pound of flesh from Antonio.
Portia
on this
also tried to
Portia
convince.
also tried to convince
him,
it.
but he
But
didn't agree.
he didn't agree. Then this time Portia need to see the
Bond.
In this bond, he see that the bond and talk Antonio. Okay, Shylock, you are right.
You can cut
you can cut a
flesh.
pound of flesh. When Shylock would cut a pound of flesh, Portia stop him and said that there was no mention of blood. Shylock, you don't remember that there was no mention of blood. If you cut a pound of flesh,
but
there was no
shed blood.
Shylock thought that it is impossible. Without shedding blood, I don't cut pound of flesh.
What is the message of this story?
There are two messages of these stories. A friend always
A real
help.
friend is always
A real friend always help other friend
Their
when he
friends.
fall in danger. And second message is cruelty is
Yeah, quality is not good sign for human beings.
Quality is not good sign human beings. In this story, there are four main themes. Firstly, love. Secondly, friendship. Thirdly, justice. And fourthly, cruelty.
Consequences of
Consequences of cruelty.
I will begin.
Okay,
For
Assalamu
everyone.
alaikum.